In this way, loads are transported to the upper floor. An inked blob is inserted in glassware for a uniform design. Plastic bottle making machine for pouring liquids. You select the image you want on the computer, and the machine draws that image on the wall. Frame building machine. People need a lot of time to build this frame. A potato peeling machine will make people's jobs much easier. The tractor cuts the trees and cuts them to the same size, which takes people a lot of time to do the job. Pipe cleaning and painting machine. A worker who creates a unique look on the wall by scraping it with his hands. The machine will coat the outside of the glove with rubber. The machine cleans and rinses the outside of the potatoes. The machine is very convenient for cutting rebar. Watercraft are made by melting plastic. A very convenient machine for planting agricultural and field fruits. Plastic big water tank and other plastic barrel making machine. Worker making glass with special design.
Why? Because I'm bougie.
The machine makes the outside of the iron smooth and shiny. A tractor for picking cherries and other fruits from trees. A device that quickly connects two fittings with a wire is very convenient.
Turn it on, put that in. Put it in. Shoot it through. Close that. Do that. And we're good to go. A machine for spreading and smoothing concrete on the surface of the ground. A worker who created a beautiful view on the wall with a roller.